Today's tech tip is on Quizizz. So Quizizz is an online formative assessment tool that you can use with your students, and it's very quick and easy to learn to use. When you first log in, you can log in with Google, and it'll ask you to sign in or give it access to your account. And then you come up to this dashboard where you can search for any quiz on any topic. So if I'm looking for figurative language, I can type that in and see what quizzes come up. And it finds a whole bunch. You see how many results are found here. Some of these are 5th and 6th grade, so I can go over here to the filters and say I really just want to look at high school, and I really just want to look at English. And there are more filters you can look at too, but you could scroll through here. As you hover over the quiz, you see the quiz answers, the preview of it over here, and you can even play that. If you wanted to use one of these, when you click on it, you can go up here to edit. Once you do that, it will automatically create a duplicate for you, and you can then go in and change any of the questions you want. And you can delete. If you edit the question, you can change the topic, you can add pictures to the questions or to the answers. You can make it a multi-answer so that there are 2 correct or 3 correct answers. You can change the timing of that, and you see all of the changes you make right here, what it looks like over to the side. Now let's say that I'm going to go back. When I'm back here, I can also see my quizzes that I have. So here are those that I just added. I can get rid of those if I want, delete those. I can create a new quiz and put my own questions and answers in there. When I have a quiz, if I want to share it with someone, I can go to practice and I can either play it to see what it looks like, or I can go to the share practice link. I can host a live game in class, and the way this is going to look is I can choose which way I want to host it as a test, so students work at their own pace. This classic is students working individually at their own pace. I can also have it as a team, and I can assign it to classes. I can have the number of teams, so lots of different options. I'm just going to play a classic and go to host game. It pulls this up and tells the students, you're projecting this, where to go. So I'm going to show you what it looks like for the students. I've got an incognito window open here, so if they go to join myquiz.com, then they're going to put in the game code once it comes up. So the 6-digit game code, 122221. And when they join, they are asked to enter their name. And I see as the teacher that I've got 1 participant. So when I'm ready to start, I click start. And for both of us, there's a countdown. Students are seeing this on their device, and I'm seeing what's happening over here. So as the students are taking this, they answer their questions, they get a meme, and the results as they go through. So if they were to answer the question incorrectly, it tells them what the correct answer is, and they continue to go. So I'm going to go through this and answer these questions fairly quickly. I can see that I've answered 5 out of 8. Here's 6. It's never wrong time to put in a ticket. And pick the closest category. You can tell I've taken this quiz before. So once they're finished, the game is over and they see what they did, and then you see this over here. Now, I'm going to go back to my Quizizz. I can see results reports after the students have taken quizzes. If I go to the reports tab, it shows me which quizzes are going. That one I haven't ended yet, but let's say that I want to look at, not that one, let's say I want to look at this one. I can look at the players, what their scores were. I can look at the questions and see which questions everyone or most everyone missed and what the typical answer was. I have an overview. I could even add standards to the questions. And then there is a new review mode which gives you flip cards for students, and they can mark them as ones that they need to go back and review. Lots of different options for giving these out to students. It's a really cool tool to use, and if you have any questions, I'd be glad to help you. There are also lots of online YouTube videos that go into more depth that take more time than I have today. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Hope you found this helpful.